Okay, this is my Rubik Cube collection. This is the white-bodied V7 or V Cube 7, and the white-bodied V Cube 6, and then I have an aftermarket white-bodied 5, and then there's the original Rubik's Revenge with the bright orange stickers. Then I have this clear yellow. I like this one. It's fun to play with that one. Then I have the aftermarkets again, originals, and another aftermarket white-bodied 4x4, brand new Rubik's Revenge. And then this is like my and then I have the 1x1 or 1x3x3, 3 megaminxes, but I can't solve the bottom layers. I can only solve it, but I can't do the bottom layer. Then I have these, and a green-bodied 5x5 as well. And this is the very first one that I learned how to solve the 5x5. This is an 8x8. Fun to play with. Here's a 7x7, an aftermarket one. And then there's the V Cube 6. And then aftermarket 5x5, and then a Rubik's brand 4x4, 3x3, 2x2, and a 1x1. So this is my collection.